Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to demonstrate a very simple and ordinary technique to improve your body. Those who are unable to go outside and do the exercise because of age factor or their childish this one or any other problems, housewives they cannot go and do any exercise because of their engagement schedules, everything. So our software engineers they have to do hours together in the house. So such people they can concentrate only 5 to 10 minutes, so entire body will get energized with few tips we are going to give. That is, our body is divided into upper body, that is head, from neck, middle body, that is digestive area, cardiovascular system, everything, and lower body, that is your pelvic, thighs, calf muscle, everything. Okay, foot, everything. In this way the body is divided into three parts. Okay, how to do the upper body energize, how to do the middle body energize, how to do the lower body energize shall be demonstrated by my friend Mr. Somshakar. Please watch it, do it regularly. Without any problem you can happily lead a good life, thinking that you have done something for your health. Okay, that when that confidence has come, nothing will attack you. No problem, health issue problem will arrive to you. Please do it and share it. Make our country healthy. My friend Somshakar, now he is going to demonstrate.
Good morning, friends. Today again, I'm going to demonstrate how to control the whole body. It will heat up as well as it will improve your health. So please follow, share it with your friends. Okay.
So once again, good morning, Mr. Somshekar. Now he is doing, first he is going to do the upper body. That he is going to hold the lower part of his ears, and he is crawling upward and downward smoothly and gently. This shall be done 10 to 15 minutes. Why we are doing this ears? By leaving all the body means in ears all the organs are situated. Once you work on ears, that will energize your brain, mind, as well as your physical body. So 10 to 15 minutes. Now he is going to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Now he is relaxing slowly. Okay, this was enough. Only 1 minute is enough. Now he is relaxing, and now he is coming to the middle body. Okay, now here middle body is situated by, as you know, cardiovascular system, lungs, stomach, everything. So mainly by doing this one, your lung power will improve, and cardiovascular as well as digestive system will improve. These three things will enough to take the body in a very good way. Now he is standing and he is taking the breath. He is taking the breath and slowly releasing. After releasing, he is going to scroll his this one shoulders up and down with the forcefully, with the pressure. He is going to breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. And here it is a small correction. He is taking the breath and he is exhaling the breath and holding the shunya, that is antar kumbhaka. He is going to move his shoulders up and down. In empty stomach, he is going to do 10 times. That's all. Once he will stop, and he will take a breath. Slowly he is taking breath and releasing slowly. Now he is moving his shoulders. As I told, in shoulders, most of the meridians will pass through, and it will energize your entire body, and especially middle of the body, that is digestive and respiratory system. Now he is going to stop. Once again he will take the breath, long and deep breath, and exhaling, totally exhale. He will hold the breath. Now he will start moving the shoulders up and down, 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 up and down. Now he is going to stop. So the third stage, how to improve your lower body, that is from your pelvic, thighs, calf muscle and foot. How to improve? Simple technique. Now he is going to demonstrate that exercise. Here he is going to work on calf muscle. That is very important organ. That is a place where this heart, almost all heart is situated, and it will control BP also. High BP, if it is high BP or low BP, it will manage that blood pressure. Here what he is doing, slowly I am bringing, showing from the side angle. He is lifting his foot upwards and downwards. Upwards, breathe in, downwards, breathe out. Upwards, breathe in, downwards, breathe out. Upwards, breathe in, downwards, breathe out. Okay, he is raising his toe, and when he is going up, he is raising his heel. This is the technique. The person should stand straight, and he has to make all the body relaxed, and breathe in, breathe out technique should be adopted while doing this wonderful third exercise to energize your entire body. This can be done 10 to 15 times or 20 times. Okay, all the three will constitute only 2 to 3 minutes. That's all. Please do it, and we are thankful to our associate Mr. Somshakar also, and please practice it and share it to everybody and make our country healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, friends.